With about 5,000 factories employing about 3.6 million workers all over the country, Bangladesh is one of the leading manufacturer and exporter of RMG and textile in the world. In 2018-19 fiscal year, Bangladesh earned $34.13 million only from RMG export. But this doesn't come without a cost. Tons of wastewater containing hazardous chemicals are being discharged into environment, causing severe damage to environment and livestock. Moreover, the conventional production method lacks efficiency, workplace safety, and management, which reduces the production rate. Also, the traditional production method is very much dependent on human resources, which reduces productivity and product quality, increases health risk, man-made errors, unsafe workplace claims the life of hundreds of workers every year. From 2012 to 2019, 169 accidents in RMG and textile industry claimed the life of 1,304, leaving behind 3,877 injured. But hey, don't lose hope. SM Engineering is here. For the first time in Bangladesh, SM Engineering is providing the most advanced technology in automation and digitalization of textile dyeing and finishing, along with innovative machineries and technology since the year 2000. Moreover, SM Engineering is providing complete Industry 4.0 compatibility. For automation and digitalization, SM Engineering is supported by Sedo Group. Dyeing and finishing automation is supported by SedoTreepoint from Germany. Knitting, weaving and spinning sector is supported by BMSvision from Belgium. And sustainable denim technology is provided by Sedo Engineering from Switzerland. SM Engineering is working closely with them for past 14 years. SM Engineering gets innovative machine and technology support from tech giants from Italy, RF System, and 3G System E. Hybrid and sustainable technology is supported by RF System, and 3G System E supports full automatic dosing and weighing system for liquid and powder. But why do we actually need all these? Lots of paperwork and manual control of machineries is a severe bottleneck in efficient production. But SM Engineering believes in a smarter way, completely automated and digitalized production where everything can be monitored and controlled from one control room using the power of IoT. Usage of automation and digitalization will increase efficiency, decrease man-made errors and bottlenecks, automatic placing of order and scheduling production, automatically detect anomalies in the system, increase supply chain efficiency, increase the product quality. Using innovative machineries will allow us to minimize production time, improve product quality, reduce manpower dependency. Sustainable production method will ensure an eco-friendly production without causing harm to the environment. SM Engineering receives a wide range of products from its ally companies.